This is the brief on Gopher for Chrome. Look, managing thousands of school Chromebooks one by one is a total IT nightmare. But Gopher for Chrome, made by CDW Amplified for Education, turns that whole mess into a simple spreadsheet. And no, it's absolutely not that retro internet Gopher protocol. First, how do we avoid clicking into 5,000 separate devices? Well, it's a two-part system. The Google Sheets add-on acts as your command center for bulk updating info, giving IT literal copy-paste superpowers during those chaotic summer refresh periods. The other half is a Chrome extension called GopherBuddy that lives right there on the user's device. Second, what is GopherBuddy actually tracking? Think of it as a virtual mechanic. It logs session times, public and private IP addresses, and vital device health like battery degradation, storage usage, and your Chrome OS status. That includes the AUE date, which is basically the hardware's death date for updates. So, if it's logging IPs and active minutes, you're probably wondering, is it tracking my every move? Finally, let's put that privacy panic to rest right now. It is absolutely not spyware. GopherBuddy collects zero browsing history, can't access your webcam, doesn't use exact GPS, and is completely inactive on personal Gmail accounts. IT only cares about the engine like troubleshooting, Wi-Fi, or flashing a little unhappy Gopher icon to nudge you to restart for a security update. They really don't care where you drive. Ultimately, Gopher for Chrome gives administrators the essential telemetry they need to keep massive device fleets healthy and secure entirely without spying on personal activity. So go ahead, click restart, and let's keep that hardware happy.